name is Christy West, and I am the Stranding Director at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. The importance of the Stranding Response Network in the state of Hawaii involves providing care for live stranded animals and conducting necropsy and cause of death investigations for dead stranded animals. And this allows us to determine causes of mortality, what threats our wild populations of dolphins and whales face, and what we can do to mitigate these threats. The benefit of providing training at Dolphin Quest to volunteers, veterinarians, and other response personnel is it gives our key people that are first responders the opportunity to actually gain hands-on experience with handling live animals. This is something that they're faced with in the wild, and we don't usually have the opportunity to have them work with animals under the best case scenario and obtain the experience and the confidence they need to properly respond to wild dolphin strandings throughout the state.